I've been in railways for 36 years from a background of electrical engineering. Trains are more and more congested. There's more and more people using rail. There is a significant demand on capacity. One of the highlights of my career at Arup is actually fairly recent. It's the involvement and the delivery of the European Train Control System, ETCS. There are a number of countries in the world that have implemented the system, and it's been commercially in operation for a number of years. This technology is based on radio communication and on cab signaling. It doesn't need any line-side infrastructure. The cab signaling is something akin to a sat-nav in a car, so it keeps the train in a safe location and at a safe speed. It brings in greater reliability in journeys, journey times, more journeys, and for the environment, power consumption is significantly reduced. We'll see most of the country covered with this new technology by 2037. The motivation to stay working in railways is one of safety. Safety can mean complexity. Complexity means cost. So we need to actually deliver something that is safe but affordable. Our involvement in the Hunter Valley started where they had a problem on increasing capacity on a line that's a shared line. So based on experience from what we had done in the UK to increase capacity, I ventured that we could run some models. And from those models, actually then look at the constraints in the network and start the development of the train control. And in these 8 years, we've increased the capacity from 80 million tons to nearly 200 million tons. All of it still allowing passenger trains to coexist. So we've got tiny little passenger trains coexisting with mile-long trains. Very challenging, very, very gratifying. Every day there is something different. It's an industry that doesn't lend itself to the copy and paste culture, so it makes it that we have to address problems face on and resolve the constraints every single time from a fresh pair of eyes. Our involvement in the Hong Kong airport started years ago. We expanded from just a 2-terminal small railway. Now it has 6 stations, or it will have 6 stations. You're actually using the train to carry passengers that have been through security or passengers that have just arrived. But you've got a common rail that should take inbound and outbound passengers. So the station had to be designed and the train control had to be designed to ensure that there's complete segregation. So we actually have designed all of that. Technical excellence at Arup is very important to us. We raise the bar. Arup prides itself for good delivery, timely delivery, and above all, incredibly good quality. So we actually challenge people, grow their competencies, give them room to grow, but it's all based on continuous monitoring, continuous training.